Parliamentary. Marian Harkin.
Thank you, Lescan Corla. In my 2 minutes, I'll concentrate on just one aspect of the future of Irish banking, the role of credit unions. Minister Fleming, I heard your positive comments on credit unions and indeed many other deputies. And your programme for government makes a commitment to enable the credit union movement to grow as a key provider of community banking in this country. My question to you, Minister, is what have you done, what will you do to ensure you deliver on that promise? In my view, legislative change is essential to deliver on that commitment. Just 2 suggestions. The Credit Union Act, as amended in 2012, is a child of the financial crisis, and it failed to introduce proportionate regulation. We need legislation that's appropriate for credit unions. We need legislation that is proportionate to the risks involved. We need legislation that ensures adequate capital reserves for credit unions. The current Act uses a sledgehammer to crack a nut, and it's failing us. Yes, our banks cost us 70 billion plus, and they needed strong regulation. But credit unions were very different. I remember watching Minister Noonan say there was a £500 million black hole underneath the credit unions. Well, that was not true. The League's own funds covered the majority of any losses. And Minister, I suspect our state is probably in profit right now because of the levies they imposed on credit unions to pay for future losses. Credit unions have paid their way. Secondly, Minister, the register of credit unions must be fully independent. The central bank should not be the regulator. There is a possible conflict of interest, and I believe you must change that situation. Finally, Minister, you have a golden opportunity to serve the citizens of this country by ensuring that we have a strong community banking sector underpinned by credit unions. And if you do that, you will be keeping the promise that this government made to the people.